Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where we make trading stress-free. PSE index went down from 7,181.86 last December 24, 2021, to 7,122.63 this December 31, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a -0.82% decrease in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down from 839.33k pesos to 838.25k pesos, or a -0.13% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 138.51k pesos to 137.43k pesos. We will give you the top 5 dividend-paying blue chip stocks for the previous year, 2021, and our magical stocks investment update for this week's video. Before we proceed with our update and the top 5 dividend-paying stocks, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Here are our top 5 dividend-paying blue chip stocks for the recently concluded year, 2021. Our top 5 is Glow or Globe Telecom, Incorporated, who gave a 3.25% dividend yield. Mer or Meralco Electric Corporation comes in fourth, gave a 4.36% dividend yield. Next on our list is TEL or PLDT Incorporated. They gave a 4.53% dividend yield, which is our top 3. MBT or Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company is our top 2 dividend-paying blue chip stocks that gave a 7.18% dividend yield. Our number 1 stock that gave a 10.91% dividend yield is LTG or LT Group, Incorporated. LTG is our topmost blue chip stock and the only blue chip stock that gave more than a 10% dividend. Here is the worksheet for our 3 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is P Gold gaining 2.08%, while the least performer is GT Cap losing -5.26%. We have one sell signal for our magical stocks. We already sold our first batch and we were successful by earning 32.78%, which is above our target of 30%. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 30.78% this December 31, 2021, coming from 32.44% last December 24, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 0.74% this December 31, 2021, coming from -0.56% last December 24, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 12.8% this December 31, 2021, coming from 13.98% last December 24, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch was sold and earned 49,630.94 pesos. The second batch is gaining by 29.65%, coming from 32.15%. The third batch is gaining by 11.76%, coming from 11.38%. The fourth batch is gaining by 15.81%, coming from 17.86%. Overall, with an investment of 700.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 838.25k pesos, equivalent to 19.61%, coming from 19.76%. We have profited in our first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the other 3 batches of magical stocks and the other 6 experimental stocks. Quote, trading is very competitive and you have to be able to handle getting your butt kicked. Unquote. Paul Tudor Jones. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.